Hello everybody and welcome back to what is a little bit of a weird vlog this time. It is currently actually Friday night when I'm filming this, and we are supposed to be at camp right now, but see, there's a little bit of a problem. See, the camp that we're going to is Scout property. We own the camp. It is situated on a lake, and we usually get there by going around the lake, because it's usually in like a little bit of a bay that it's in. So there's a bit of a stream later on that goes into the bush, and there's a bridge that goes over it, and the bridge has actually been damaged by people that have gone out there. We're not sure who, we're not sure why it's been damaged, but basically it means it's too unsafe to pass in the dark when we be going out there. So we have to go out tomorrow morning, we have to fix the bridge, and then it's into the fun stuff. It's into the actual camping and stuff. But what I can show you is me packing to go to camp and a little bit of an explanation of what you need to go to winter camp. Let's go. As if conditions couldn't be any worse for this camp, there's actually also a special weather statement being issued where we're expecting lots of snow and lots of rain, 5 to 15 centimeters of snow and probably about 20 millimeters of rain, I think is what is expected. So we're probably going to be sleeping in the cabin, but besides that, sleeping accommodations. We got insulated mat, also a Sea Summit, like the orange one that I usually have in my backpacking and canoe trip vlogs. And I've got behind me in the big stuff sack, I'm not sure how well you can see this, but it's a sleeping bag. Well, it's not in the stuff sack, it's in the store sack. This is the stuff sack here. But this is how the sleeping bag is stored, because it's a down sleeping bag made specially for winter. You may also see my big red backpack behind me. I got some clothes and stuff that I'm gonna wear tomorrow morning when we're going in, and some clothes for sleeping in, and like just some change in case they get wet and all snowy and stuff. A big thing, of course, that you need for winter camp are hats, like I have here, and some mitts. Well, these are actually fingerless gloves. Let's ignore that part. Let's get some actual mitts. There we go. Mitts are pretty important for whatever you're doing, because you don't want your hands freezing off. That's pretty much why you need mitts. I mean, that's self-explanatory. Of course, hats and mitts are pretty important, so I usually bring a lot of them. Mitts more so than hats, because I'm always using my hands to gather firewood, to split firewood, to do any other tasks that we need to do at camp. And usually mitts get pretty wet, otherwise even though you're drying them by the fire all day, they still do tend to get a little bit wet, so it's useful to have a whole bunch of mitts. I also am bringing some fingerless gloves this time, so it makes it easier for me to operate my camera, so you guys can have some actual good footage to watch. Hats, you might want to have, I would say one for sleeping and another one for the day, and another one just in case the one for the day gets wet. I would say like 3 hats seems a bit reasonable. I mean, maybe since we're only going up for Saturday, I think I'm only gonna pack 2 hats, but we'll have to see. And then what else is there? We got some sweaters, like this one here. This is a really good one. This is really warm. It's a wool sweater. Wool is amazing this time of year. And I've got some pants here. These are, they got like a little bit of a shell on the outside, and they got a fleece lining on the inside. So these are really great. I don't think I'm gonna pack my snow pants, but I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it right now. But we'll see. Also beside me, I've got some socks. Socks, really important for winter camp. Socks are, you need a lot of them. That's like rule number 1 for camping, and they've got to be wool socks. Wool socks. Wool is amazing. The old saying, cotton is rotten, wool is good. I mean, the wool and good, I mean, that doesn't really rhyme. But no, seriously, wool is amazing. It is warm, it is tough, and even if it does get a little bit wet, it still keeps you way warmer than cotton would in that situation. So it is pretty great. I've got about, let's see, I've got 5 pairs here, and that'll probably do me good. If one gets like a little bit wet or sweaty or something, you're gonna want to change into new socks, and then you probably want to have some for bed, and then you probably want to have some just in case, and then you probably want to have more just in case, and then you're like, oh my god, I've got so many pairs of socks. And yeah, they are really important for winter camp. If your feet are really cold, that's pretty uncomfortable. So yeah, having a lot of socks is a pro recommended tip in this circumstance. But yeah, other than like clothes, sleeping bags, sleeping stuff, I've I've got fire bag. This is just like got some matches, like flint and steel stuff, and some basic like fire starter stuff. Hygiene kit like toothbrush, toothpaste, stuff like that. I've got my saw here, my trusty saw. You don't really get to see me sawing a lot on camera, but I probably will be doing a lot this time. And got a chair here, got a tripod for my phone. I can't show you the tripod for my camera or my camera because that's currently actually what is making you see me right now. So yeah, I've got a portable charger. I'm gonna get another portable charger so I can recharge my stuff while I'm out there. Feeling pretty prepared for this one. Feeling pretty prepared. I think really what we need to do this weekend is repair the bridge and probably do some minor stuff around camp, like just cleaning up some like fallen trees if there's any problems with those. Getting more firewood for the cabins, of course, to keep the stove alive for us at night, because I do believe that we're going to be forced to sleep inside. So that should be interesting, all of us inside. There are 4 adventurers going to this camp and 2 scouters. We have Lucas, I, Wesley, and Will. Sam has a broken finger, and we had someone else that was going to come, but they couldn't in the end. And we also have Scouter Roger and Scouter Derek. But yeah, other than all of that, I hope there isn't any more bad news awaiting us, because that would be really terrible. After tonight getting cancelled, I mean, I'm a little bit upset that somebody would destroy the bridge. I mean, it is what it is, though. We can't really do anything about it, and I will see you tomorrow. Boom. Just going over the food that we didn't bring. Wow, this is nice.
Julie baked a banana bread.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Plenty of food for the 6 of us.
On the road again. Let's go. Forward to Timber Lake and repairing a bridge that we have to do this morning before we actually do any camping. Heck yeah. Let's go. We're almost there, boys. Let's go. We constructed a road, and the camp is across there. Now we just need to fix the bridge, which should take a few years. We had to dig a little bit of a path, Will, right?
Yeah, it was cool.
For Doubter Scarrick to get in.
He's got good ground clearance.
Let's do an analysis of that, which I did not film. We have reached the bridge. Everybody else has crossed the other side. Wes and I are supposed to be clearing the bridge. We have done a little bit. I just had to stop and film. But, oh gosh, if I can actually get onto the bridge without falling and filming at the same time, that would be nice. Ooh-wee. Okay, that's what I had to just walk on. Alright, there we go. Bridge. Yeah, there's a few holes. Some of these were here before, but where we really see the problem is here. They put a little piece of wood down. I don't know the technical name for it. I'm not an expert, alright? Yeah. Clearly there are some issues.
Yeah, it's just called the gap.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not doing too good. I don't think a sled would pass over this. We got to repair it. We got some wood back there, and we have to shovel all this off so we can actually fit the sled through. So, it should be interesting. And actually, we need to shovel it off so they can actually make repairs. So, yeah. But everybody else has gone to the actual camp to open up the cabins, I think, and stuff like that. So, yeah. They're doing all the fun stuff. We're absolute lads doing this ourselves, Wes. It's raining. That's why I'm wearing this big jacket. and with my hood up, trying to not get soaking wet before the camp really even starts. But we have to go get the sleds to pull some wood to put onto the bridge. So wish us luck. Here we are. Gotta dig out. We've got 2 sleds to pull stuff in, so we might have to stop filming here for a second. But that is the camp across there. Never has the term perilous been so apt. Hello, Lucas. Oh, great gatekeeper. I will walk across. I feel very safe right now.
If only you knew the password to it.
What is this, like Woolly Goat's Rough? Or there's like an ogre under the bridge or something? There's like a troll?
I'm the troll.
But you're above the bridge, that's not fair! Almost at the end of our treacherous journey. Oh, I'm gluing up and I got my backpack on. I have to supervise. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I think you're good. You're on your side a minute there. We're almost there. Oh, I think Lucas and Will might be... Are they out? No, they're not. We got a little bit further to go. Finally, the last little bit. Absolute lad. Here we go. There we are. First tourist that no longer exists. Is it just me, or has the rain started to get worse? It's like I can...
It's definitely going to get
No, we gotta get more ties, guys. Come on, let's go. Important stuff to do. Gotta fix the bridge. No, it's not. The ties are over there, aren't they? Yeah. I got some water in my phone case because of the rain. Fire pit needs to be dug out. All that stuff. We gotta start a fire in the cabin too. We gotta start a whole bunch of fires. Alright, let's go.
Work on that.
The bridge is being fixed. Got the last piece of wood to go on there. And we're trying to space it out so we actually have a cohesive bridge. Gotta pick up my shovel here. But yeah,
it's
hot, sweaty, tired already. That is, I don't know, I'm not starting a poem. I'm doing a rap. Oh, we got another piece of wood. There we go.
Turn over that something.
Are we just doing this and then getting the rest of the gear and cooking lunch? We're having a snack. Many snacks will be needed.
Okay, push it.
You're getting free labor.
And to dry our coats from standing out in the rain.
It's so dry.
Alright, well,
That piece ain't moving. That's for sure.
hopefully next time you see us we'll be eating, I guess. I'm so hungry. Nail for you, sir. Yeah, Roger and Wes are splitting wood. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna be able to see this. Let's see. Yeah, if it'll focus. Yep. So they're splitting wood. We gotta make a fire for lunch because we're having sausages over the fire and we're gonna wrap them in Danik.
Okay,
Is the
so
plan.
don't dig out the wood. Anybody's not doing the wood?
Yeah, the shovels are just outside the door. And I'll show you the sleeping quarters after, but
You need to put a sweater on or something.
this is, oh, I hit my, apparently I'm too tall. I hit my head on some lights here.
Old batteries, yeah.
Here, we don't even want to see Wes's face. That's basically what I'm doing right now. Apparently.
Oh, okay.
This is it here.
You have to salute when you use this one.
That's not very far.
Jesus.
It's that way either.
Alright, awesome.
Will, show the.
Oh, that's heavy.
Oh my god, it's the weight of an entire country. Oh man. I guess big boys need big knives. Here, the camera's.
That's a Rambo. Well, that's not a knife. That's a knife.
Yeah, well. I did not know that I had this little mini fire starter here. Look at that, me being prepared. Are we ready to make some food and then eat some food? What's the consensus?
Booga booga.
Yeah, yes, I told you I got the soup. Okay, wonderful. Wes is doing fire magic. He's becoming a dragon. And now we have to set up the stoves to cook lunch.
Becoming a dragon would be inhaling lighter fluid and then just
Well, yeah, I mean, that's not really... That's like the unsafe alternative. Like, yeah. Will, you ready for lunch?
Oh yeah.
Sausages, and then we got. I don't know if he's gonna find the bannock. And we're gonna do bannock. We're gonna try to like do makeshift pogos, I guess we're gonna call them. Where it's like pigs in a blanket. Actually, yes. I'm just too dumb to think of what it's actually called. But thanks, Wes. Sausages are now being cooked inside, and for some reason my lights come on also.
Oh, how nice is that?
Gotta cook some sausages on the stove in here. We decided to be like civilized instead.
Do we have to turn on the back one too?
No, it should just stay as one. Look, it's all done. I think it's done.
That's really even. Wow, that's actually really nice.
Wow, look at that. You want to scoop some soup? Take some soup, Wes.
No, I'll just put this. Why is the other stove open?
Because we're gonna cook bannock.
Okay.
Do you want to have lunch?
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of crazy.
It's actually bright in here, but my phone is making my flashlight come on, so we can like see better, I guess.
Wait, did I just get service?
Everybody got their lunch?
I don't know. Did you get service?
A few times here I have service for like a few seconds, and then it goes off.
I just got it fixed.
Yeah, it's the OPD.
You're in trouble. Big trouble. Oh, where's the finished? Oh, there's a few finished sausages in here. Router Scotch or Derek Scarrick, get your sausages. Well, there's some sausages that I worked hard to make. So lumber is for building. We've eaten lunch. Yeah, we're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna build some. We're gonna get some wood to build some stuff. So, you excited, Will? We're excited for what?
Coming back
just gonna
and using
help
my
you-
new
help-
speaker to show you guys and to play some.
Oh yeah, Will's amazing new JBL speaker. This is not sponsored by JBL. We've been in no way paid by JBL to say these things. But unfortunately, you're gonna have to wait until part 2 to see Will's speaker. Thanks for watching.
If you're subscribed to this channel, just unsubscribe. Like, it's just a waste of your time.